I really like Square Panda. I think it's a great product. My kids really seem to like it. They are able to work independently on it, and it makes my job easier.
The standards of education have risen so high that they must be able to read and write before they leave me.
Well, I really like Square Panda because it engages the kids and keeps them engaged through the whole time that they're working on it. And it teaches them some of those basic skills that some of the kids do not come to school with.
Kids come in at different ranges. We have kids that know nothing when they come in, and then we have kids that are reading. So Square Panda is really good because it differentiates the instruction. So it's really good for kids no matter what their educational background is.
I like that the Square Panda helps the kids who have trouble with putting the letters upside down or backwards, especially with those common letters like B's and D's and M's and W's. And the game itself will fix it and tell the kids, oh, you need to turn that around. So that helps the kids build their knowledge on these letters so that they are more familiar with which ones are which.
The games are easy enough for them to figure out on their own. The fact that they get to touch the letters and place them in the correct spots, and Square Panda is talking back to them, I think really helps them.
One of their biggest things is being able to actually manipulate the letters. Kids learn all differently, you know, kinesthetic learners, auditory learners, and this hits every learner you need.
I think it gives them good phonemic awareness sounds. It helps with letter sound correlation. It also helps them build picture knowledge, like what this picture is, and being able to build their vocabulary.
I use Square Panda as a reward for my students, and they are really excited when they earn that as a reward. It's funny because they think it's just a game, but they're actually learning at the same time.